Hello, I'm Janine Lindquist, and I just want to take a minute to introduce myself before you start the module you're about to take. So I started out my career in education, getting my master's in teaching and teaching in the public schools for 7 years before feeling a tug at my heart to do something different. And so I entered into the field of drug prevention and mental health support. And I've been serving in that field for the past 18 years. When COVID hit and the world shut down, I started trying to make some online videos to educate, encourage, and empower people. And that is what you are about to experience. The mental health moment videos is where it all started. And those videos were, again, just created to be short videos to educate, encourage, and empower viewers. And each one I took the time to write a listen, reflect, and apply document so that individuals could reflect deeper into the topic that they were experiencing and learning about. Or you could do it in a group setting, whether it be a classroom setting or a counseling session. You could go through those questions with a group. So you're going to notice in the modules that I take you through some of those mental health moments that you will watch, and then you will reflect, listen, reflect, and apply. And I really want you to take the time to reflect so that you can kind of personally grow a little bit and think about some of those topics at hand. And then I've also included some discussion prompts that we can do as a group. So that way you can reflect on some of those topics in a group setting, encouraging those that are also in the module to kind of learn some things about how they can apply the lessons that you're learning in a larger setting. I also took the time to include some additional resources that you can utilize. One of them is the Journey of Wellness website. So I created this website as a way of taking the over 100 videos that I've created that are educational videos and categorize them by topic area. So be sure to check out the Journey of Wellness website. I'm still always doing additional interviews with people, from professionals in the field to shared testimonials to highlighting great resources that can build up this resource and help it be a really great tool to help people. So if you know of anyone that would like to do a Zoom recording with me and an educational video, please reach out to me and let me know, and we can connect. Thank you so much for taking this module, and I really hope that you enjoy it, and I hope that you are able to utilize these videos in your professional career as well as your personal. Thank you.